Hey guys, BP15 here. Now I'll have to be a little bit quiet here because it's basically midnight. It's basically 12:45 AM. I know. On April 20th. So I bet you loads of people know what happens on the 20th of April. I believe it's April. Yeah, it is. I was just trying to remember. You can see my background. There's a certain YouTuber on my screen. Yes, guys. It is LG3CK0. Yes, guys, on the 20th. Sorry about that. Put a little pause. A thing popped up. I don't know if you saw it. But on the 20th of April every year, it is LG3CK0's birthday. He has turned 19 today. And just want to wish him a happy birthday. Well done, man, for doing this good on YouTube and Mixer. He's also known as Ninja Gecko, guys, and LG Virus. Let me go over to his LG Virus account so you can see that as well. Which is this one right here. He's got 94 subscribers, so if you haven't, go subscribe to this account and to his LG3CK0 account. One of his best songs, his most popular song is The Virus. If you haven't heard it, go listen to it. Like, yeah, there's gonna be a few things wrong with it. Like, there's always a few things wrong with every single song. But that is one of his best songs. I would play it, but I don't know if he wants me to. But if you do want to hear it, leave it in the comments below. But yeah, just want to wish you a happy birthday, mate. And guys, I want you to raid him for me. Can you please do that? Can you please raid him for his birthday, like he asked people for on my birthday last year? Raid him. He's turned 19. 1 year away from 20. Then he's a proper adult because there's no teen. Why is it frozen? Okay, sorry about that little pause. I don't know why my thing just did a thing then. But yeah, I think it was because of a notification on Instagram. So yeah, happy birthday, mate. And I will probably see you tomorrow. Or, like, not see you tomorrow, like, talk to you. As right now we are in quarantine, which is annoying. But get that out of your head and just focus on your birthday, mate. Happy birthday. And I love being your friend. Anyway, goodbye.